Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing one simple surface to emit light. Use a flat plane or an existing model face. Once done, confirm your renderer plugin is active because Sketchup alone won't export mesh emission. Next, convert that face into a separate group or component so you can assign materials cleanly. Then apply an emissive shader or material to the grouped face, set color and intensity roughly now. You will tweak values later when you test a render. Now configure the emissive material in your renderer's material editor. You, the user, should set color and strength. Start with a mid-range value so you can see results without clipping. For example, set intensity to about 2 to 5 units and choose a realistic temperature. Make sure normals face outward and enable double-sided emission if the light needs to shine both ways. Also switch units to lumens or radiance if available, because that gives physically meaningful control for later exposure adjustments. Finish by running a few quick, low-resolution test renders so you can iterate fast. You will tweak material intensity, color, and scene exposure until the light integrates naturally. Make small changes, re-render, and inspect shadow softness and color bleeding. If things go wrong, no light or black surface. First check face normals and component export settings, then confirm the renderer recognizes emissive materials and that the light layer is visible. Finally, increase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.